Hello, my name is Mrs. Chalmers. Welcome to our numeracy strategy of the day. Here in Inverclyde, we use various strategies to help us calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We use these strategies from Primary 3 to Primary 7 and beyond. Being able to add, subtract, multiply and divide in different ways is a really useful skill to have. Today, we will focus on the process of addition, and the strategy we will use is near doubles. Our learning intention today is to use pictorial representations and abstract thinking to solve addition tasks. Abstract thinking is just number sense. It's about knowing how numbers are made. Our success criteria today is to show, describe and draw how to solve addition problems using the near doubles strategy, and then to apply this strategy to other problems. Have you got your pencil and paper ready? If you need to pause the video, you can do so now and get organised. How would you solve this calculation? 60 add on 61. Pause the video and have a think. It is useful to know your doubles to be able to use this strategy. I know that 6 add on 6 is 12, and I can make the connection between 6 and 6 and 60 and 60. 60 add on 60 is 120. 60 add on 61 is just one more than that. So 60 add on 61 must be 121. How about this one? 60 add on 59. Would our near double strategy help us with this calculation? Again, I know that 60 add on 60 is 120, and I know that 60 add on 59 is just one less. So 60 add on 59 must be 119. Did you work that out? Let's have a look at a trickier one. 245 add on 246. We can see that these two numbers are very close together, and that's why we use the near double strategy. I know that double 200 is 400, and I know that double 45 is 90. If I didn't know that, I could do double 40 and then double 5. 80 add on 10 would still give me 90. So double 245 is 490. If 245 is 490, then what must 245 add on 246 be? You're right, it's just one more, 491. Let's have another go. Pause the video here and see if you can use the near double strategy to work out this calculation. We know that double 100 is 200. We know that double 70 is 140. And we know that double 2 is 4. When we put all of those numbers together, when we add those numbers, we get 344. Of course, that's just what double 172 is. Our calculation is 172 and 174. Do you notice that 174 is 2 more than 172? What do you think we would need to do to the number 344 to get the right answer? 172 plus 174 is double 172 plus another 2, which gives us 346. I hope you managed to work that one out. It's now your turn to try out some addition problems using the near double strategy. You can start at the first column, and if you find them too easy, move on to the next column. If you're still finding this quite hard, you may need to go back and use some materials to help you. Pause the video while you complete the task. When you have finished, you can share your work with your teacher. You will also find another activity and a link to an online game to practice your addition. Good luck! This activity is called basketball doubles. It's a real good fun activity. One person is the caller and they'll call out a number fact, for example, 99, 35, 126, depending on the level of challenge that you require. The first player to call out the correct answer has a turn to shoot for a point. This could be throwing a ball into a waste bin or bucket, or even a piece of paper into the bucket. The player scores a point if they're successful. You can decide on what your winning score is going to be before changing the players and the caller. I usually see if I can reach a score of 10 before swapping. I hope you have as much fun as I do playing this game. Here is a link to a website where you will find lots of different addition games. After you've played a few, maybe you could recommend one to a friend. Don't forget to ask them which game is their favourite too, and have a try at that one. I hope you have lots of fun.